Natural vegetation in India. The term natural vegetation refers to the plant community that has been left undisturbed over a long period so that individual species could adjust themselves to climatic and soil conditions as far as possible. Climatic factors like temperature or heat and precipitation determine which plant species can flourish under particular climatic conditions. Soil, relief and drainage also play an important role. Based on these factors, the major types of vegetation in India are classified as tropical rainforests, tropical deciduous forests, tropical thorn forests and scrubs, temperate forests with grasslands, alpine and tundra vegetation. Tropical rainforests. These are dense forests with luxuriant vegetation of all kinds. They are green all round the year as their trees shed leaves at different times of the year. The main areas where these forests are found are the Western Ghats, the island groups of Lakshadweep and the Andaman Nicobar Islands. The climatic conditions for these forests to flourish are: temperature should be around 25 degrees to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall should be above 200 centimeters annually and the humidity should exceed 77%. The climate should be warm and wet throughout the year. Now let's know about the characteristics of trees growing in this region. This region has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds of trees, shrubs and creepers. The trees here grow up to 60 meters. A large number of species are found together. Some of the commercially important trees of these forests are ebony, mahogany and rosewood. Tropical deciduous forests. These are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called the monsoon forests. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. Since every species has its own time of shedding leaves, the forest does not appear barren at any time of the year. On the basis of the availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous. Let us understand the features of these forests. The moist deciduous forests are found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeters. These forests are found mainly in northeastern states along the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, and khair are other commercially important species. The dry deciduous forests are found in areas having rainfall between 100 and 70 centimeters. These forests are mainly found in some parts of the Peninsular Plateau and plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. A large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation and some parts are used for grazing. Tropical thorn forests and scrubs. These forests are mainly found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. The rainfall is pretty low in these regions and it is around 50 to 70 centimeters. The temperature varies between 25 degrees to 27 degrees Celsius. The trees that grow here are scattered and have long plant roots penetrating deep into the soil. The roots spread in a radial pattern to find water. Leaves are small and help minimize evaporation. Acacias, palms, euphorbias and cacti are the main plant species found here. Temperate forests with grasslands. Temperate grasslands are very common at higher elevations. The wet temperate type of forests are found at a height of 1,000 to 2,000 meters. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts predominate. Temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found at a height of 1,500 to 3,000 meters. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas because the moisture-filled monsoon clouds coming from southwest hit the southern slopes. The northern slopes protect the Indian plains from cold blizzards of Central and Northeast Asia. Alpine and tundra vegetation. These forests cover the alpine areas in the Himalayas at a height of 2,880 to 3,700 meters. They get progressively stunted as they approach the snowline. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and the Bakarwals. Silver fir, pines, junipers and birches are among the common trees of these forests. At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form part of the tundra vegetation.